Hi, I'm Lelo Rolda, a social media VA and content creator. I help business owners stay consistent and active online. I can help you with creating posts using Canva, editing short videos using CapCut, and managing your content schedule through Metricool, Buffer, or Meta Business Suite. I can also handle your everyday tasks as a virtual assistant. Whether it's checking your inbox, answering inquiries, or managing your schedule, I can do administrative tasks to help you stay organized. I am very flexible and can easily adapt to your business needs. Even though I'm still growing in this field, I am very proactive, a fast learner, and I take my work seriously. I am reliable, dedicated, and ready to take the load off your hands so you can focus on your business. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.